Hi everyone, my name is Navya. I'm from Nellore. I'm currently pursuing my BTech third year in Narayana Engineering College in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering. Today, my virtual reality project 101 mini project name is Nelapattu-Bird-Sanctuary and Pulicat Lake. The web work I used here is Frame, and my framework background is Sanitary Garden. As we see here, the migratory birds attracting the tourist. This was developed by the adding text. Here I inserted an image of the Nelapattu. It is located in Peta. And if you see here, there are many birds in this particular lake in the sanctuary. As you can see here, this is a great flamingo. This great flamingo is the largest of all species of the flamingo family found in the Indian subcontinent. This bird will found in all parts of the India. Next, this bird name is bar-tailed godwit. This is one of the highest flying birds. This is one of the highest flying birds. And as we see friend, this bird name is osprey. It is the largest raptor bird migrate to Indian in winter season. It has a large range of migration. Oh friend, as you can see here, this is a black-winged stilt. It is a very long-legged water bird and become a regular migrant to India, usually found around the wetland. It has five subspecies. As you can see at the top, it is a gadwall. It is mostly prefer the open areas like some wet grassy lands and some steep lakes. They most prefer to the rest to the ground some distance, but not more distance. As you can see here, there are many birds. This is um, Cleveland sandpiper, bee eaters, and Arctic tern, pelicans. As you can see, this is a white pelican. Um, this is a bee-head goose, and there are some of the birds flying in the sky. As you can see, this is the bird, common sandpiper. Any bird names or other wording follows that the convention. We can say that it is the state bird of Tamil Nadu, and India is a winter home for most of the Siberian birds, such as the Siberian geese, great flamingos, and cranes, various cranes like Siberian cranes, pelicans, and also numerous species of birds from other regions of the world. These birds migrate to India every year during the winter and summer season for food, breeding, and nesting due to the weather conditions. Some of the birds that come to India to the Nelapattu are, as we see here, the great flamingos, Amur falcon, Siberian cranes, pelicans, white pelicans, uh, cranes, black winged still, etc. But In specific season, there are some of the birds visiting our India. They are some of the birds that come to India in the summer season or during the summer season are kingfisher, Eurasian gold oryx, black crown, night heron, etc. In the winter season, ruff, gadwall, teal, osprey, with sandpiper. As we said here, it is a common sandpiper, etc. Thank you for watching my video.